In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image here in Kittl. Now, once you have your image on the canvas, just like this, we simply want to click onto the image, and then we can use this little icon underneath. Now, what we can do is slowly turn it right, and if we look underneath, we can see a little box with the degree of the rotation. We can turn it this way and or that way, and again, we're going to see that rotation. So we could have it like that, which is pretty pointless. We could have it upside down as well, just like that as well. Now, what you can also do is flip the image. So what we can do is click onto the image, come to the three dots, and we can flip horizontal and or we can flip vertical, just like that. We can also just right click on the image and find it this way as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to rotate an image here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.